most of us do not move enough in our lives just because of how modern life is. It's hard, even when you try to get in the kind of movement that would be naturally inspired if we had a life that was living in rhythm with the seasons and with the land and with farming and with animals and with it all. So these are all little experiences. Novelty is helpful. Always, the nervous system really learns from novelty, and also to be moving all together. So these Tuesday classes is nervous system basics, regulation basics, anxiety, depression, procrastination, and just generally like how you can sleep better, how you digest your food. Those are things that I might not even directly talk about, but they're an outcome of having a system that knows how to enter into a natural oscillatory rhythm that is present in every one of us. There's nobody here who does not have access to that drumbeat. It is an inherent part of being an alive creature on this planet. So it's about how we enter into resonance and coherence with that rhythm. And then the movement teachers will come in and teach movement and of different forms and types, all of which I'm very excited about. And then I'll also be able to give you a frame for how that's working and how, and hopefully that you'll also just have your own experience, and some of them you'll be really into and be like, I want to pursue this and I love this form, and some of this like, oh yeah, that was good. And I will see you next Tuesday. Looking forward to it.